Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a background overlay in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your Canva and then upload any image that you want. Then you gotta go to the Elements tab and search for rectangle. So once you do type in rectangle, press enter, and this is basically rectangle under the shape section. Click on it. You'll be able to see it appear on the canvas. Now you gotta resize it to match the size of the canvas. Now you can see that it is blue color. You gotta go to the colors at the top and change the color to black. This is the common color that we have. So you can simply go and change the color to black, and after that you gotta go to transparency and then reduce the transparency to, let's say, 36, and then you can see that a color has been added. Now you can add some more various icons or text, let's say. So we're going to add this text. Now let's say if you have added this text before the rectangular overlay, you can simply right click on it and you'll be able to see numerous options. So you're going to click on layer and then you can adjust whether you want this to be sent to backward, forward. So you can see right now the text is forward, but if it is backward to the overlay, you can click on bring to front. And that was basically how you can create a background overlay in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.